Hello guys, this is Mr.Reactor and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another brand new video. And guys, today is the birthday of a legend and his name is Fildan. Yes, and his birthday was being celebrated all over the world, and we are especially taking care of that because we are the dears of Fildan and Fildan is our dear and we are his fans. So we will check it out how Fildan's birthday is celebrated in Dapat Academy and Indoshare channel. So before I move forward to the video, just one request guys, if you are watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that when I upload a new video you're gonna get a notification. So now no more chit-chats, let's hit the stage. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Happy birthday, Fildan.
Ini kerjaan lu kan? Fildan ya. Fildan ulang tahun kemarin ya.
Fildan is surprised and he is very happy.
Minum dulu
He looks so surprised and he looks so happy that everyone who are his near and dear ones are celebrating his birthday and giving him a surprise, and we as a fan also very happy about that.
Happy Milad, panjang umur, sehat terus bertahun.
Sama istri, sama keluarga.
Semuanya makasih.
Wow, this is a great tribute. They are giving tribute to Fildan in their ways, and we are giving tribute Fildan in our ways. So if you want to tribute to Fildan, then please write below in the comment section, and this will be our tribute in our own special way. Yes, we also love Fildan and we will celebrate his birthday in our own way, not like this, but we can celebrate it by writing in the comment section that we care for Fildan. Okay, so please write. Wow. Wow. Look, he looks so happy. Lesti, Rara, everyone is celebrating with him. All the great people are celebrating a birthday of a great person like Fildan, and Fildan is a legend in himself, and everyone is just celebrating his birthday. Happy birthday, Fildan. Happy birthday. Please write, everyone, please write.
Bentuk rasa cinta kami terhadap Fildan ya.
We always as a fan can pray his success in life, what is he is achieving, and he should achieve more because he deserves more. And I as a person from India, as being a fan from India, I wish that Fildan should perform in Bollywood. Yes, this is my wish, and that day will be great day for me. And please everyone wish that Fildan one day might sing in Bollywood. and it may be true that one day he gonna sing in Bollywood.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sebelumnya terima kasih banyak buat orang tua saya yang ada di rumah, anak istri tercinta yang selalu setia mendoakan saya di sini. Dan terima kasih juga buat Indosiar yang luar biasa.
Perhaps he is giving thanks to everyone who is wishing his birthday wish, and so this is a Thanksgiving ceremony.
Sampai sekarang, dan alhamdulillah, saya nggak bisa
I don't really understand what he's saying. Please, can anybody explain me? Anybody explain me in the comment section in English, or write in your mother tongue, then I will translate it on Google Translator. So can anyone write what he is saying? Okay, so I want to read about that, because being a fan of Fildan, you know, I want to understand everything what he is saying. Okay, so you can write.
Kreatif semuanya.
And it's an emotional moment.
Fildan selalu menjadi pribadi yang
Oh, the video is ending.
bisa jadi inspirasi buat pendamping muda yang ada di luar sana, dan semoga
Oh, it's a gift.
lebih baik lagi.
Yeah. So the video ends, and that's all. And we, a fan from faraway land, celebrated his birthday. Once again, happy birthday, and please celebrate it with writing in the comment section. Okay, now goodbye. And I have uploaded one more video to celebrate birthday on Fildan, and I know it is late, but please watch it also. Okay, so go to my description link, or check my channel or playlist, then you will find it. So see you in the next time.